So let's take a look at my garbage disposal. So basically, here's the switch for it with an outlet. It is a Kenmore, not an incinerator. There's your gay Moen faucets. Moen faucets I would stay away from. Delta all the way. So basically, let's get you guys a few shots of this. Under here's cleaning supplies. Alright, so it is 3/4 of a horsepower, 4-year warranty. Model number, or the number that's in the front of it, is 60571. So, yeah. Nice little garbage disposal. And it does have a reset button on the bottom. There you go. More just in here. Hold on. Huh. There's connection. Trying to make it so the light doesn't blur it. So. Yep. And there's connection to the other sink. It's got a strainer on it. They suck. So do those pipes, those copper pipes. Oh my god. I would kill myself. I like flexible. Yeah, so it's a Kenmore. Good garbage disposal. Never is clogged once. So there's the things that hold the sink down. Yeah, and your thing. Usually the front panels of your sink pop off, just to let you know. So, well, at least mine do. And then just find out where these go. And it's good to go. Sweet. So yeah, that is Kenmore 3/4 of a horsepower garbage disposal. Really good garbage disposal. 4-year warranty. Don't forget to knock the plugs out of it for your dishwasher. Because the dumbasses who did it and put it in there, they didn't do that. So dishwasher didn't drain. Dumbasses.